In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete contacts in Pipedrive. Whether you're looking to tidy up your CRM or remove unnecessary entries, I'll walk you through each step so you can manage your contacts effectively. So, let's dive in. First, we need to head over to the Pipedrive website. If you're not familiar, Pipedrive is a powerful sales CRM and pipeline management software that helps businesses organize their sales processes. So, go ahead and open your preferred web browser and type in the URL to Pipedrive's homepage. Once you're there, the next move is to log in. You will typically find the Login button prominently displayed, often at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your login details, your email and password. If you've forgotten your credentials, there's usually an option to reset your password, which you can follow if needed. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on the Pipedrive homepage. This is your dashboard's central hub, where you can access different Pipedrive features. From here, look for the Contacts section. It's usually visible on the left-hand side of the screen in the main navigation menu. Click on Contacts to enter the contacts list view. Now, with the contacts list open, browse through to find the specific contact you wish to delete. You can either scroll through the list manually or use the search bar to locate them quickly by typing in their name or associated details. Once you have found the contact you want to remove, click on their entry to open up their contact details. You'll notice a three-dot icon. This is often referred to as the More Options menu. It's typically located near the top of the contact's detail card or profile view. Clicking this icon opens a drop-down menu with several options. Look through this list until you find Delete. Click on the Delete option, and a confirmation prompt will likely appear. This prompt is Pipedrive's double-check feature to ensure you really want to delete the contact, as this action is usually irreversible. If you're sure about deleting this contact, confirm the action when prompted. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your contacts in Pipedrive, keeping your CRM clean and up to date. Be cautious as you proceed, since the deletion is permanent, and it might be useful to revisit this process periodically to ensure your contacts list aligns with your current business needs. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to delete a contact in Pipedrive. I hope this tutorial was helpful and made your experience with Pipedrive a little more manageable. Thanks for tuning in, and don't hesitate to revisit this guide whenever you need a quick refresher on the process.